the next song on a more mellow note, and this is dedicated to all the fine boys in the house. Do we have any fine boy in the house?
Of course we do.
Where are they? Okay, so the fine boys that are heartbreakers. Because all fine boys are heartbreakers. Let me see your hand up. Put your hands up. Humble Prince, welcome. You broke our heart by coming in late, actually. Yeah, right there. So this song is called Bibanke by Asha, another beautiful Yoruba singer based in France. And it's really a heartbreak song. She's just crying and she's telling the guys to leave her alone. So, if you're one of those guys, this is for you. Let's go. I wake up, I see you as you leave. I see it, I feel it as you leave. When we kiss, I won't leave, but you're far away. Be back here, mommy, bashon, free me silly. Be back here, mojo baro, free me silly. Used to be my everything, treated me like I was a queen. What spell did you cast on me? Or was it a make-believe? You said, girl, never be afraid of ever loving me. Those words I hung on to. Oh God, I was a fool. You became my bad habit, keeping up appearances, so you could notice, yeah. Even when you suddenly took your things and left the keys down, that's crazy. Oh, be back here, mojo baro, feel me silly. Be back here, mommy, bashon, feel me silly. Be back here, mommy, bashon, feel me silly. Be back here, mommy, bashon, mommy, bashon. You want to come they real.